mkhwanazi, you're number one. Side, say, please. The court is constituted as follows. The presiding officer is Mr. Manana. For the state is Advocate Ndero. The accused are represented as follows.
I do indeed confirm that I appear on behalf of accused number one as instructed by Sali Incorporated Attorneys, Your Worship.
Good afternoon, Your Worship. I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number two together with my colleague, Mr. Vumi. We are advocates and members of the Johannesburg Bar. We are instructed by Masigela Masinya Incorporated. Thank you, Your Worship.